Okay, here we have 7 Dell Drive here in Uncasville area of Montville, Connecticut. A nice little street view of the neighborhood that we have here. This home is a 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and it's 1080 square feet above grade. And then we've got a finished lower level, which is another 720 square feet. So basically we're about 1,800 square feet on this home. We have a private well, we have city sewer, maintenance-free vinyl siding, brand new roof up top. One of the things that we've got is a little bit of peeling paint and the condition of the deck boards. That's going to stop a FHA or VA buyer, unfortunately. I love this backyard, the big oaks, but this deck is huge. Perfect for doing new decking on top. And we're going to take you right through to the interior and show you top to bottom. This is a 1-car garage right here, and the interior of the home is your classic raised ranch. You know what that is. We're coming in halfway down, so we've got a half a flight up and then half a flight down to the finished lower level. We've got a laminate floor. It's all fresh and new here. This is a operable wood-burning fireplace. The windows, like I said, they've got some peeling paint. They're ripe for replacement. You've got single pane glass with storm windows. The paint is fresh. We've got a nice little dining area right here. One of the things that the seller absolutely likes is this bay window. This picks up the morning sun, and it's just a nice little spot that makes this the dining room feel a little bit bigger. I'll just show you the deck here. The awning right here came off the roof when it was replaced. So here's my backyard. This awning is not part of the sale. It was a wedding gift for the sellers. They're going to keep that. So we have consistent flooring throughout. So that's one of the nice things. You've got a good flow on the flooring. We've got laminate countertops right here. These cabinets, these are solid wood cabinets, and their wood mode is the brand. The slide-in range, that happens to be a nice feature. Microwave hood. You've got the island, or actually peninsula, I should say. So, black appliances. When we come down here, right here we've got the pantry, closet, a little bit of storage right there. Nice little linen closet right here. To my right, we've got the full bath. This has all been redone. This is bath number 1 of 2. 4-foot vanity. Real nice shower right here. I love the shower and this curved door. That's pretty darn nice. Tiled surround. And if you like tubs, this little curve right here gives you a little bit of extra space. Elongated bowl on the toilet. So my master is in the back left of the home, and this location, you're not getting the morning sun, you're getting the afternoon sun. Little electric fireplace right there. There's some lighting in this closet, so that's pretty nice. I love these glass doors right here. This is a nice upgrade. The seller actually did some modifications in this room, which was a bedroom, and there used to be a closet here. He decided that he wanted to utilize this space as his home office, and his whole desk and everything was up against that wall, had a TV in that corner. So if you do want to put a closet back in here, that's fine, but this is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3 is right here. And again, that wall opening for the closet is still in this wall right here. So if you just take a peek at this, there was a wall right here at the end of that baseboard, and there would have been two closets right here shared between those two bedrooms. So we'll go downstairs and wrap it up. We've got a finished lower level here. The lower level under the dining and living room has tile flooring. This is your classic rec room. Nice big spot right here. This is where the TV location was. Backyard right there. I'm looking out at the front yard right here. We do have modern breakers in terms of my 100 amp service. This house was built in 1974. Storage underneath the underneath the stairs. Right here is my walkout lower level. This walks out to underneath the deck area. Right here would be the positioning for your dryer and washer. There's your washer supply, hot and cold and drain. We've got 2-zone oil-fired baseboard hot water, tankless domestic coil. The servicing was just done on March 6th, so you're not due for another year. We have our micro office right here. This is the front center room. This is in the to the right of the garage, which is this door right here. Full bathroom right here. So this is basically a 3-foot shower right there. Tiled floor. Window has some privacy right here to the decking in the backyard. The synthetic top. So you've got a full bath on this lower level. And last but not least is my 1-car garage. Seller's going to be getting rid of the personal property in here, so please excuse that. And here's my oil tank. So that ties the knot on 7 Dell Drive here in Uncasville. And I would definitely get your showing scheduled. Obviously, we've got the seller moved out, and this home is available for immediate occupancy. Get your offers in. Thank you.